How to book a one-way rental on budget. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search budget.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on enter your pickup location and then enter the pickup location. After you've selected the location, at the bottom you'll find return to same location. Click on it and type in another location. Then select time of the pickup and drop off. After you've selected the time, click on select my car at the bottom. After you've clicked on select my car at the bottom, you'll find different cars available. Click on view rates to select one of the vehicle and then press on pay now or pay later. After you've selected pay now or pay later, here simply add your informations and then at the bottom click on reserve and it will reserve it for you. This is how to book a one-way rental on budget. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.